I had been thinking about this recently. So
Hmm.
like this theory, like I'm going to take a stab at some of the biggest magicians, but correct me if I'm wrong. What I feel is these people who come up with small subtleties, thinking the spectator will think in so and so way if I do so and so. I feel that is like I don't feel that is valid because you never know how a spectator thinks. You can never predict it, and we are not psychology experts. So one example is I saw David Williamson's lecture, and I saw him explain the cups and his routine is beautiful, by the way. And he says when you reveal the ball on top of the cup, the ball needs to wiggle a little bit, if you remember. And
Hmm. So that it
even
stays in place.
yeah, instead of no, so like
Then I didn't get you actually.
there's a moment where
Wiggle
there's a
in place
ball
as in like,
trapped between two cups, right? And when you take off one
okay.
cup, the ball is there. So he says the ball
Hmm.
should not be just stationary. You should give some motion to the ball. So it's just like
Okay.
yeah, and
It's moving. Yeah.
yeah, magicians far more senior to himself have explained it to that. So the theory is a ball that does not wiggle has been there for has been there since time began. So it needs to look like the ball just transposed there. Isilay it is wiggling,
Paid.
and I think that is thinking too much. You cannot know what this is like. This all of this comes from wanting the spectator to think in a certain way. And how do you know that if I do so and so, the spectator will think so and so?
Experience. Experience.
Maybe, yeah. But huh.
Think about it. Like, I understand what you're saying. Initially, I thought the same way you thought. मुझे भी लगता था यार, why? What's the point, man? Directly दिखा सकता है ना उसको.
Yeah,
क्या फायदा है? But ये जो small details are there, right? That our subconscious picks it up
yeah.
and it helps them convince.
Huh.
ठीक है. I'm sure
I
they are very. Hmm.
no, go on, go on.
So, nahi, what I'm saying is, maybe say I'm very bad with cups and balls. Like I don't perform.
Yeah,
What I think is that उसको subtlety लगा होगा. I think so. I don't know. I'm not very sure on that. So he does it.
yeah.
But as you said, can we predict what an audience thinks? The what you asked, right? Can we predict? Yes. If you ask me, yes, we can.
Okay.
Now how? Now you said, अच्छा तो कैसे करना है? कोई तो technique तो होगा ना? If I just say, oh yes, we can, no, that makes no sense. How
Yeah.
we do it is one तो experience है. So I'll just give you, just take your favorite trick,
Hmm.
okay, and then what you do is just a moment. Someone is there in my door.
Yeah, yeah. No issues.
Just a moment. Yeah, the thing is that can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
So which is your go-to trick? I'll just give you a small example. Or
Uh,
maybe I'll not give you an example. You do it yourself, and then you come and tell me what happened.
okay.
So it'll be very interesting for you also, for me also.
Yeah.
So tell me which is your favorite. Like, अगर कोई आके पूछता है तेरे से यार भाई कुछ, can you show me something?
If
And you want
I
to tackle that person, and you are prepared. You're prepared. Okay.
then
It's
I
not that you're
would
not
do
prepared. You're
two
prepared.
card Monte. Like it's one of the mm, like best tricks you can do.
Yeah. So you'll be doing two-card Monte, right?
Yeah.
So you take two different approaches of two-card Monte. Like, कोई भी approach ले.
Mm.
So like generally what I don't know how you perform, like what is your choreography, I don't know. So what you do is you take two different methods. Method as in like presentation method. I'm not talking about
Yeah,
technique.
yeah,
And you do it for like maybe 10 people.
yeah. Mm.
And then you note it down. किसका reaction ज़्यादा अच्छा आया.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Now you will get to choose like either A or either B.
Mm-hmm.
Now A comes. Now you take that method A and then you do it in next 20 people or maybe 10 people or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And you see how much tally does that reaction has with your experiment reaction.
Yeah.
तो देखो पता चल जाएगा तो कौन सा subtlety काम करता है कौन सा नहीं करता है.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll understand what I'm trying to say.
I
You'll try this out,
understand it
just an experiment.
yeah, I agree with you just because you're talking about presentation. But even for subtleties, I'm not saying all subtleties are complete BS, but some of them are like even at Garrett Thomas's lecture, he says I always use a blue deck because blue is a color that is not very attention grabbing, and I want to make the situation about the people, and I don't want it to make the situation about the deck. I want the deck to be just secondary. So blue is the color I go for every time, and like
Again, yeah, this again makes no sense.
yeah.
You
So
can, yeah,
it's
yeah.
like how do you know?
मतलब, yeah, that you can say that that you have to analyze ना, तुमको तो analyze करना पड़ेगा ये काम कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है.
Yeah.
So the best way to analyze it is by experiment. अभी ये blue, like if you see Dennis Baer is a very good card magician.
Yeah.
He'll only use green decks.
Yeah.
उसको जो भी if you see his tricks, most of the tricks he'll use a deck which has a green color back.
Back design.
He
Yeah.
use most of the time. So I asked him once, but he never replied as of now, so I don't know. But he's a very good chef. He makes nice macaroons.
Yeah.
So sometimes I ask him for recipes. So he tells me. Anyways, so that's a different story. So again, जैसा अभी तू बता रहा है ना, it makes no sense. At least to me, it makes no sense.
Yeah.
है ना? So I think you have to be a better judge on it. कि तुमको कौन सा लेना है, कौन सा नहीं लेना है. You read a book, you don't like all stories, right? Some stories you love, some stories works for you, some stories don't. जैसे if you read Tarbell's course in magic जो है ना, if you read the book, most of the tricks you cannot perform now.
Yeah.
हाँ, तू अगर करेगा, they'll just say क्या बच्चे का गेम दिखा रहे थे. It's very childish.
Yeah.
But it was not childish back then. समझ रहे? तो उस टाइम में वो चाइल्डिश था नहीं. So you have to be a better judge because you are right now, you are the generation who is doing this magic, right? अभी you are the performer right now. So you will be the best judge कि which will work or which will not work.
Yeah.
So there's nothing like white black about it. There's nothing. हाँ यही सही है, नहीं यही गलत, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah. So I mean, it's like even just with that wiggle wala concept, if you wiggle it and show, and if you very cleanly open it and show, I feel both of them are pretty good. You don't have to choose one only. You know, you get what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like
Yeah.
one
Which
would
one
prefer,
works?
yeah, one would prefer this than that, and someone else would prefer that.
Yeah, absolutely.
But it's not right making it the universal truth कि यही करना है, and that this is what gets the most reactions. That is what suits for you. That
No, I didn't see his lecture. So was he very adamant about his information regarding
Yes.
that
Yes.
subtlety?
Yeah. So
अच्छा, उसका ऐसा ही था कि मुझे यही करना है,
yeah. So it's
इसके अलावा कुछ और मत करो.
yeah.
अच्छा, so I think then that's too concrete too. That's
Yeah.
too concrete.
So, you know, for some spectators that might work. For other spectators, it will be like as cleanly and as slowly as possible if you reveal.
Yeah.
That is like more powerful, you know, and you can never tell what spectator likes what. So at least,
If you can understand the situation, जैसे there are few tricks.
yeah.
So if you show in a Western scenario, Western country, उसको reaction मिलेगा. तो come to our country, come to India and show. Reaction तो क्या गाली मिलेगी उसके लिए. है ना? You must have noticed that there are few tricks which will not work at all in this subcontinent. It will not work. It's not meant to work because people are not. जैसे हमारे culture में, like the Indian culture will not have a space for those type of tricks.
Yeah.
So does that mean those tricks are bad? No, it's just not meant to be done here.
Yeah.
I think that is the way to go about it. कौन सा चलेगा, and how to know which will work, which will not work is by experiment.
Yeah.